Best buys. So when you're going shopping and there are the same item at different sizes at the shops, the question then becomes, well, what's the better value? And an easy example is bottles of Coke. At a certain shop, you can get a 2 litre bottle of Coke cold for $6.50. Or from the same shop, you can get a 600ml Coke for $3.80. Now the question is, well, what's the better value? And there are a number of ways you can do it. Ultimately, you either compare the milliliters, so bring both the milliliters up to the same amount and compare the price, or bring the monetary values up to the same amount. So if you had $20 to spend, how much Coke could you buy, for example? And then see, well, which gives you the most liquid for your money? In this instance, comparing the milliliters will be the easier option because we can reduce them both down to 100 mils. So we can figure out how much does it cost per 100 mils. And shops do this very regularly. And even in Woolworths and Coles, they'll show you like the value per 100 mils or per litre. So a 2 litre bottle of Coke is $6.50 for 2,000 millilitres. If you divide both of them by 20, we realise that you can get 100 mils of Coke for about 32.5 cents, 0.325. The 600ml bottle, do the same thing. So divide by 6 because 600 divided by 6 is 100. You see that it costs 63 cents repeating. So in this instance, the better value is the 2 litre bottle of Coke. That's a very straightforward and easy one because you can kind of see that if you bought two 600ml Cokes, you're spending $7.60 and you still don't even have 2 litres. So obviously the 2 litre one was a better value. So let's do something slightly more tricky. 36 cans for $20 or 15 cans for $8. Now we can compare how much it costs per can, or we can compare the number of cans for a given cost. So again, if I have a certain amount of money, say I have $40, which one would give me more cans? Let's look at comparing cost per can first. So, $20 for 36 cans works out to be about 56 cents per can. $8 for 15 cans works out to be 53 cents per can. So 15 cans for $8 is the better deal. So now let's compare the number of cans for a given cost. Now, ultimately, because it's the same sale, same can, same price, we should get the same solution that 15 cans for $8 is the better deal. So if 36 cans for $20, we could get 72 cans for $40. 15 cans for $8, 8 times 5 is 40, so 15 times 5 is 75. So we get 75 cans for $40. So it's very clear to see that 15 cans for $8 is the better deal.